Hey everyone, Chuck back today with some more fun and interesting information about 3D printing and the Ender 3 and Fusion and just some fun stuff to learn. So, a friend of my wife's wanted me to make a logo for her and 3D print it. And this was the picture she was interested in, the hat, the rope, and the hay bale. Well, the hay bale was right out. That wasn't going to work. At least I couldn't make it look decent. But what I eventually did was make a drawing based on this and get it into Fusion. And here's the picture here. Sorry about the camera on the computer screen. I know that normally doesn't work very well. And extruded it at a couple of different heights. Originally extruded the outline of this, and I had to go in and repair it multiple times. But I extruded the outline at 1 millimeter, and then I went back and I extruded some of the other parts at 1.5 and 2. I wanted the hat brim to look like it was out further, so it looked like it was actually over the rope. And this brought in offset faces, and I goofed up a bunch of times and had to come back. But eventually I got it to where it looked pretty good, and then imported it. And sorry, I'm shaking a little bit, probably one too many cups of coffee, who knows. I imported it into Cura, and I did a boots one too, and did the same thing on the boot. I extruded the rear boot at 1 millimeter and the front boot and the little star pattern and the spur at 2, so it actually looked like one was in front of the other. And again, I goofed up a bunch of times, and this is what I eventually got. And I don't know how well you can see it here, but it really does look like the hat brim is out over in front of the rope. Now my initial one cubes were 50 by 50 and these are 30 by 30. It actually looked considerably better on 50 by 50, but what we're putting it on is 30 by 30, so it had to come down to this size. But I actually think they turned out pretty darn good. Also on this one, I turned ironing on in Cura. Let me find the other one so I can show you the one that wasn't ironed against the one that was ironed. Here it is here. This was one I printed earlier, and I turned ironing on for the top surface. Don't know if you can see the difference in these, but ironing really considerably smoothed out the top surface. Really pleased. It got the lines out and some other things. Wish I could iron the sides as well, but I guess that probably wouldn't work. No way to do it yet, although I might try a real iron on it just for sport and amusement. Sorry. Anyway, that's pretty much it for today. Again, I'm still very pleased with the Ender 3, still learning Fusion and Cura and getting all the settings right. If you guys want my settings or detailed steps, let me know and I'll put them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.